Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to solve Facebook page's quality is at risk problem. So there are a few reasons why you encounter this and why is your Facebook page at risk. So, most of the cases, the reason why is that number one, not all admins of your page have authentic profiles. People who manage your page have acted against their community standards. Your page has a misleading name. Your page posts content that may lead people who like or follow your page. The content posted on your page goes against hate, speech policies, and so on. So how are we going to fix this problem? What you're going to do here is you just have to click that link that I have attached down below. Once you have downloaded that one, you will see this and all you have to do is to extract the file. Once the file is extracted, you can now go to Google extension or go to your manage extensions, and then what you're going to do here is you have to turn on developer mode. You have to make sure that you have turned on developer mode right here. And then after that, you just have to simply drag the file or the folder here on your extension. Okay, so once you open this, just drag, and this is what it looks like once you drag that file to your extension. What you're going to do now is to pin this, or it's not, it's okay. Now click this, and when you see this, all you have to do is to refresh and refresh till you see this. As you can see, solved pages is at risk for violation of community standards. All you have to do is to paste your Facebook page here, the name of the page, your email account, and then tap this send require. Now you have to wait as it is now sending a request, and then once you see 100% here, then what you're going to do is you have to go back to your page, reload, and you will see the results. So at this very moment, I can't let you see that because I don't have any pages at risk, but you just have to follow this instruction, and then you just have to go back to your page and see how it fixed Facebook pages quality is at risk. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.